Welcome to Good Fridays! People of Talisay, if you're looking for a place to hang out with your friends and family, this is the right place for you. Good Fridays at Dumlog, Talisay. Guys, we are driving here at Talisay right now. We are almost there at Good Fridays.
So, musulod ka dira.
Good Friday is a garden-inspired snack bar with a bit of rustic theme. Hey guys, we are now at Good Fridays. I'm inside the bar, so I'm gonna ask Marilo here. Ano yung best seller dito sa Good Fridays?
Milk tea.
So,
Ka ng pizza o burger.
so muna ang pizza, milk tea,
Nachos.
burger, o na po yung nachos.
Rice.
And ano may pinaka-lamig nga pizza?
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian guys. Ang pinaka-lamig nga pizza dito sa Good Fridays. Sa milk tea.
Cream cheese overload.
O cream cheese overload sa milk tea. And then sa nachos, sa lamba?
Nachos primo.
Nachos Primo. Good Fridays, don't forget that. Pero ang pizza guys, so ako tilawan ha. Amoy tayo, pakpak ko. See, rock and roll! Rock and roll to the world! Muna ang milk tea sa Good Fridays. Ang ilang flavor is strawberry matcha. Okay? Don't forget. First, namigay na. Oh, Good Fridays ni bye sa Talisay bye. Oh guys, kung order po mo, there is a Good Fridays. Pwede sad mo mukha order rin. Relax pa kayo doon. Ang Good Fridays mo deliver sa sila. But depende sa lugar, okay? Just call them. Check their Facebook page. Here at Good Fridays, you can also enjoy entertainment and you can sing along.
Now he's a famous blogger.
So guys, if you have time, please visit Good Fridays. See you next time.